Hey everyone, the Aoostar GT37 is an ultra-compact yet highly capable mini PC that brings powerful computing performance in a small form factor. Officially launched in China, the GT37 features top-tier specifications, including a Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor, a Radeon 890M GPU, and an impressive 32 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM. With a price of $728, this device targets users looking for a mix of AI acceleration, gaming, and professional workloads in a compact design. At just 112 by 106 by 60 millimeters and weighing 0.5 kilos, the GT37 is built for portability without sacrificing power. The system is powered by AMD's latest Ryzen AI 9HX370, a 12-core, 24-thread processor based on the Zen 5 architecture. A key highlight of the processor is its integrated AMD XDNA 2 NPU, which delivers up to 50 TOPS of AI processing power, allowing for significant acceleration in AI-based applications such as machine learning, content creation, and automation tasks. For graphics, GT37 is equipped with AMD Radeon 890M GPU, based on the advanced RDNA 3.5 architecture. While integrated graphics still lag behind dedicated GPUs in raw power, the inclusion of Radeon 890M makes the GT37 highly capable machine for creative professionals and casual gamers. It comes with 32 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM. For storage, device features dual M.2 PCIe 4.0 by 4 slots, supporting SSD expansion up to 4 terabytes. One of standout features of GT37 is its expandability. Unlike many compact PCs that lack support for external graphics, GT37 includes OCU Link interface. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals who need additional GPU power for tasks like 3D rendering or intensive gaming. Networking capabilities on GT37 are also top tier. It supports Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-fast wireless connectivity and features dual 2.5G Ethernet ports for high-speed wired networking. Users can connect up to 3 4K monitors at 120 Hz, or even an 8K display at 120 Hz, making it a great choice for multi-monitor productivity setups. The design of GT37 is both sleek and durable, featuring a CNC machined aluminum alloy chassis that not only looks premium, but also provides excellent thermal management. Glacier Cooling 3.0 system ensures efficient heat dissipation through a VC vapor chamber, heatsink, and customized turbofans. Earlier this year, the company introduced GM12 Max Mini PC, which featured a Ryzen R 7845HS processor, Wi-Fi 6, and DDR5 RAM. However, the GT37 significantly raises the bar with its Zen 5 CPU, XDNA 2 AI capabilities, and RDNA 3.5 graphics. Overall, the Aoostar GT37 is a compelling option for users who need a powerful mini PC with AI-enhanced capabilities, strong graphics performance, and excellent expandability. While it may not replace a high-end gaming desktop, its combination of portability, performance, and connectivity options makes it a standout choice for professionals, AI researchers, and creative users. The addition of eGPU support via OCU Link further increases its versatility, ensuring that users have the option to upgrade their graphics performance as needed. With an official launch date of February 20th, the GT37 is already available for pre-order and is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mini PCs of the year. Thanks for watching. I hope you have no questions. If you do, leave them in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God will surely bless you.